Okay, so I just told the kids, I taught them that this is like a 9-volt battery when you touch all 3 prongs on your tongue. So Davis will do it.
What a good mom.
Ah! Okay, now it's Megan's turn. Come on. Come on.
He just slobbered all over that.
I wiped it off.
No, he's got Frank's face.
Come on.
Ready? 1. Come on.
Yeah.
Put your tongue out. Come on. I'll go quick.
Okay.
1. Ready?
Okay.
Just put it out all the way. All the way.
Oh, I'm kidding.
Stop. All 3 prongs have to touch, so stick your tongue all the way out. Ready? I'll go quick. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Ready? 1.
She's working out.
2. Okay. 1, 2. Come on.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
It doesn't even do anything.
Got you! How do you feel about yourself right now, Megan?
I knew it! I was just like, you guys are faking it. And then... Anyways.
And that includes everything. Say bye to the camera, Megan.
What a great mom I have.